Oh my god, I don't know what I want to say. Hello guys, it's Amelia here. Welcome to my channel and my first episode of unboxing. Alright, so right now I'm so excited to open up a parcel from Beautyfridge. So I bought this a week ago and I want to share with you guys what it looks like inside the box. Let's check it out. This Beautyfridge offers 4 different colors: soft pink, snow white, baby blue, and lilac purple. Beautyfridge also has 4-liter capacity and the cold temperature will be around 4 degrees till 10 degrees Celsius. It listed here that the middle shelf and door shelf are removable. It also comes with power adapter. It offers free delivery to Australia and New Zealand and has 1-year product warranty. So here you go. I got this one. Just need a muscle to pull it up. Ta-da! Here's the look like of my new Beautyfridge. So I got the baby blue color and I bought this when they give a promotion about $100 with free delivery. So they sent this from their warehouse in Albury, New South Wales. Okay guys, are you ready for this? Ta-da! That's beautiful. How cool is this? Oh my god. Finally, my Beautyfridge is coming. So I'm just gonna open inside to show you guys how it looks like. So it looks like this. Ah, okay. So they give us the instructions, how to use the Beautyfridge and how to clean it. You can store your face mask, skincare, or your perfume, maybe your juice. No. Just joking. The reason I want to bought this Beautyfridge because I want to keep my skincare life shelf is more longer, and also I want to have my mask fresh every time I put on my face. So I'm gonna give you a review. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna share my experience when I use this. Yeah, I like this color because this color is like one of my favorite color. Who doesn't love blue? Is it? To clean this Beautyfridge, it says you can only use a soft or damp cloth, so it's pretty easy. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, make sure you give us thumbs up and please comment if you have any questions. And also if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell, and that way you can stay updated if my video is up. Okay, thank you for now. I shall see you later. Bye. This fridge can contain for 4 liters. Did I say it right? 4 liters, yeah? Is it? So, okay guys, that's it for now. Thank you for your video. No, thank you for watching.